Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings, and then go to the System section, then Backup. Then you have to enable Backup to Google Drive feature and tap on Account to add Google account. Of course, you will need the internet connection for this operation. Next, you have to enter your email here. Tap Next and enter your password. And then tap Next. Then you have to accept Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And for the last thing, tap on Accept here. And OK. And as you can see, your device is ready to be backupped. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.